Hey, welcome. So let's discuss what is the meaning of accessing your inner power. See, everyone has potential to succeed in the life. It all depends upon the level of self belief, self confidence one has. So that can happen only when one knows the inner power of that person. If you can access, if you get an idea how to access your inner power, you have better chances of succeeding in your life. So let us see how we can do that. There are some strategies to access your inner power. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people is the successful people has some right strategies, and if we also start adopting those similar strategies, chances of succeeding in our life will be much better. So what are those strategies? One is ready, fire and adjust. Second one is model success. Third one is take one step at a time. So let's see how we can make use of these strategies in our life and make our life effective and wonderful. The first strategy is ready, fire, and then adjust. Most people think themselves out of opportunities by overthinking and over planning. So, most people, many times, if you observe people, they spend a lot of time in overanalyzing, overthinking, even to take decisions. And without taking decisions, nothing can happen. And we can't wait for right action plan, right decision. We want always precise plan, precise action, precise decision. So that cannot happen. Only when we start taking action in our life, we need to just go a little bit farther, then we start thinking, we can identify what is exactly should be done later. So if you observe certain people, they spend endless time. And if you recall the process of manifestation, what Harvey Eker says is that thoughts, feelings, actions, results. Thoughts and feelings are in the inner world. And results is, where is the result? Is in the outer world, right? So your inner world creates outer world. So thoughts and feelings happens in the inner world, in our mind, and bridge is the action, and only when we take the action we get the results. And what we do is we keep over analyzing, overthinking without taking action. So the best strategy is ready, fire and then adjust. Don't spend too much time in over analyzing, procrastination. First get ready and fire, take action, then try to adjust how to discover the next step. Like if you observe the soldier in the battle or a warrior, the warrior attitude. So how the warriors behave is, they can't keep thinking, whether my bullet will hit the enemy or not. They don't spend time in war analyzing, overthinking how to fire. First they'll fire and they'll see if it may miss a little bit here, and they'll see where exactly is it. Then again they adjust and fire. So this is how the life has to be. Only when we take action, then we start discovering what is the better action. Is that action is good or not? And we can start thinking the next action which could be more better than what it was. So this is the strategy which we have to adopt if we have to speed up our results, and if we have to be fast implementer. Okay? The second strategy is modeling the success. You should learn how to model the success. Like example, if you study the success principles of how people have become successful or how people have become millionaires or rich, and if we can also use the same principles the chances of winning and chances of we becoming or achieving the same results are higher. There's no point in reinventing the wheel. And what happens many times is we start thinking how to do and how to be successful and how to reinvent the wheel. So that is where it takes a lot of time. So best strategies: learn from successful people, learn from people who have become self-made millionaires, and use the same strategy and think, if they can do it, I can also do it. They're also human and you are also human. We are all human beings. Everyone has the potential. All it depends on the strategy. What kind of strategy we have to take. Like example, Sachin Tendulkar. So there is no point in copying Sachin Tendulkar. But if you learn if you study the patterns of how Sachin Tendulkar has become great and use similar strategies, chances of you getting the results are higher. You can also become a world-class batsman, provided you put your efforts and if you act in the right direction. So what happens many times is we keep reinventing the wheel, which is not good. Try to model yourself. Okay, this is called process modeling. This is also the technique in NLP. If you can model, if you can follow the process, the results is guaranteed. All you need to do is follow the process steps. If you follow all the process steps, the result is guaranteed. You don't have to worry about the results. All you have to do is you have to follow the steps. The third strategy: take one step at a time. Focus your attention on the very next step. Many times what happens is we think too far. And when we start thinking too far, we lose out the way how to achieve our results or how to find our way. Because we want to think too far. That's why very difficult for us to achieve certain things. Can we predict what's going to happen in our life in next 6 months? It's very difficult. At the most, you can predict what is going to happen in your next 1 week. You can predict. That also sometimes may not be true, but you can still predict the way that your life has been all these days. So I can think what can happen in the next 1 week, but definitely I can't think what is going to happen in next 6 months. Life cannot be in one single straight line. Life has different curves. What we should do is first go and proceed in the first curve, and first you finish the first bend, then you'll start seeing other bend, then again go and finish the next bend. So like that, as we keep moving from one bend to another bend, we reach the destination. So we waste a lot of time thinking too far and we procrastinate and we become indecisive. How the child learns walking, if you observe, child will never even think. What child will do is first is just take one step. Then again child learns, takes one more step. Then as child starts taking step by step, and one day it starts getting up, and after some time it even starts walking on his own. So this is how we have to be. So it all depends upon the strategies. Nothing is so difficult in our life as long as we think in a simple and effective way. The right strategy is very important. If you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be putting more and more this kind of information. Thank you.